So here we are, Dollar General. Look how cute. Let's see what they have, guys. So these are the solar characters, and they're $1. There's the Christmas tree. Oh, and look at this one. Let's see. That's so cute. Okay, so they have those up there, and then they have these pine cones. It's a whole box for $1. Then they have these pens. Aren't they cute? Those are $1, and look at these. So these right here are $1.50. Those are nice. I don't know, what is that, a back scratcher for $2? Then they have these card gift boxes. These are so cute. These are $1. So they have these kind, and then they have, look at these. These are like the books. So these are also $1. At a lower level. Okay, Christmas Farm Fresh. I like these. These are so cute. And then these are carry along activity pad. Those are nice. There's Rudolph. Okay, and then they have these little notepads. These are so pretty. These are $1. Okay. And then they have some more of these. I think these are so cute. They look like little books. Book boxes. I think you can gift those, put cards in them. And here the ribbon. And everything is kind of thrown around. And then these are the Christmas scissors. Some more of those books. And here's some Christmas cards. These are the stackable containers. And these are $2. That one's so pretty. So they have that kind. And then they have Santa right here in the red truck. Then they have these. Over here, these are tin. Dollar Tree has these. But they're cardboard. These are nice. These are tin. That one says Let It Snow, and that one says Express. And here's some tape. And those over there are some snow globes. We have this holiday family pajamas for $10. That's nice. Oh, and look at this. So cute. That's $6 for that snowman head. All right. So I think this is the little gift area. Look at this. How nice. Okay. So this looks like a beer. This is $5. And then they have this. It's a bubble bath and lotion set for $5. And then there they have some makeup for $5 and even eyelashes. And they have this tumbler. I like that tumbler. So that tumbler right there is $8. And then these are the eyelashes for $5. So they have the nail polishes up there for $1. And then they have these LA color brush set for $10. And some more tins up there, even a Bluetooth. And look at this. Happiness is homemade. Isn't that nice? With the little knobs for hooks. And that one says ASAP, always stop and pray. Oh, I like that. That's so nice. We have some plastic containers down here and some wreath hangers right here. And then over here, these look like poinsettia placemats. These are $2. Those only come in the red. And then here are the doilies. So the doilies are $1, and they come in the red and the white. Okay, and then look how nice this is, like a little tote. Isn't that pretty? I like that. That must be new. So those are $3. And then here is a tablecloth with the snowman for $4. Okay, let's see what else. So this is like a pack of boxes, different sizes, and those are $3.50 for an 8 count. I've never seen those, so I think those are new. Then they have the oven mitts. Look how pretty that is. These are $1. Okay, and then that one says, have a holly jolly Christmas, and then these are the pot holders. Be filled with cookies. There's a gingerbread cafe, And then candy cane wishes. I like that. What is this? Oh, it's a jumbo gift bag. Okay, this wasn't here the last time I was here. Isn't that nice? So that's $3.50. Okay, and then here is a table runner. I think that's a truck. Yep. And it says Little Christmas, and that one over there says Holiday. They have the candy canes. Those are $1 each, and here's the plastic tablecloth. That's $1. So they also have it in the buffalo check, and they also have that one. I'm liking that gingerbread. And here's the buffalo check, and then here are the hand towels. You get 2 for $4. The extra large gift bag for $2.50, and then here is a lace table runner for $4. And then what is this down here? Oh look, the chair cover. The chair cover right there for $1. Candy cane wishes. These are all kitchen towels for $1. Okay, they have this kind right here with the gingerbread, be filled with cookies. Then you have, oh look how cute. Then you have that one, Love Santa Paws, and then they have the little pillows. It's a wonderful time of the year. Peace, joy, and love. I like that one. And there's that one. Okay, so here it says eat more and Whole Foods. I think that one is new. I've never seen that one. So these are $1. Then this one says cats and dogs welcome people. I'm sorry, cats and dogs welcome, people tolerated. I knew I was reading that wrong. Okay, so this one says life happens, coffee helps. I like those. That one says home without paw prints. Very nice. Okay, so then we have these pot holders over here. I like that one. Then you have that one, home for the holidays. And that one. Those are so cute. The Christmas tree one. And look at these fabric bags for $1. That one says Cole. Aww. And then here are the paper bags. So you get like 2. And these are $1. So you get 2 for $1. That one says Joy, Sweets, Santa. And I'm loving this bag right there. So I think that one's $1 too. Let's see. No, that's $2.50. Then they have this kind. Let's see what else they have. That kind. Oh, look at these, the paddle balls. So these are $1. Down here you have tissue paper, the ho ho ho. Those are really nice. And then these right here, aren't these nice? You know, they have some of their fall stuff mixed in. These are so cute. These are $1. I'm sorry. Okay, then you have these paper bags. That's just one. Let's see. I think it's one for $1. Then you have the necklaces, and then you have the treat bags. Then over here you have the candy. Isn't that pretty? The candy canes, $2.25. These right here are $1. We have the holiday plates along the top for $2.75, and then you have the tin can here. I think that's popcorn. And then you have these little plastic containers, and look at these. Okay, the Betty Crocker cranberry apple pie, $1. This is what they had over there. So these are the mini gift tins. That one's Santa. Then you have the snowflake, and then this round one back here says Happy Holidays. Some more of these plastic containers. Then you have this one here for $5. And look at that clock. Okay, so over here, I'm absolutely loving that truck. That's the countdown till Christmas with the tree, the red truck. Then you have these little, for $1, these little gift medals. And I think that back one is Santa. Okay. Then you have This is like some home decor, and here's some popcorn tins. And I don't know how much those are. $5. Okay, so then we have this gingerbread delight. So that's $1. These are $1 candles. And these are those gold charges I like. These are $2, I think. Yeah, those are $2. Then you have this plastic here with the handle and the cover. Dollar Tree has these. Oh, Dollar Tree has these for $1. They're $3 here. Okay, then you have the coffee cups. This one says fresh cut trees. You get 2 of them for $1. And here is the green one. Then you have some more of these plastics in the red and the green. And then you have the aluminum pans with the lids. And I think those, I'm not sure. I don't see a price on these. Okay, so these are melamine bowls for Christmas, and this pretty big bowl. So that is $2.50. And then you have the loaf pans. These are nice. Okay, oh, look at this. So you have the Paw Patrol plastic cups for the kids, and these are $3 each. Then you have this cup here for $1. Okay, so you have these melamine plates right here. This one here is $2. And then they have the truck one. I love this one. This is so nice. Look at that. I like that one. So that is $1. I like that. So then you have these tins. These are pretty big tins. So this one says Christmas sweets for $3. And then they have those 2 back there. Some more of the cups over here. Okay, some more of these. I'm absolutely loving these buffalo check bowls. Those are $1. And these tins right here, these are really nice. They say Merry Christmas. Some other different ones, they have these tins right here from say Merry Christmas. Those are $1. And then they have the plastic containers. And then here's a top hat. That's $3. And then look at this. I think I might have shown this before, but I absolutely love it. That is a candle, red truck, for $6. Then here's a mug. Those are $3. So you have the Santa and the snowman. And here's the bigger bowl, buffalo check. I don't want to pick that up right now. And then here's a candle. I'm liking how this looks. It's really pretty. That is $3. And then here's the blessed mugs. And then here are the dollar candles in the green. And I'm really liking these. I think these make such beautiful gifts. It's $5. So if we come over here, we have these plastic containers. These are pretty big. And these are $3 each. Okay, some more of those candles over there. Some paper plates right here. And here are some more candles. This one is in red and that's in white. Those are $5. And here is some more, some cookie cutters and some paper plates. Oh, and these are my favorite tins. I love these. Aren't they cute? I absolutely love those. Then you have the countdown to Christmas up there. And let's see, oh, some nutcrackers. So you got buy one, get one 50% off. And those are $8. And these are the little ones. These are nice for tea trays. And then here's some coal guys for $1. Then you have these. There's the owl back there. Some more nutcrackers. And what are these? Foam ornament activity kit for $1. And those trees, the spiral trees for $3. Some more containers. Oh, look at this ribbon. I like this ribbon. Okay, some more containers. And then you have, that is a snowman Christmas tree. That's nice, 24-inch. And it's already pre-lit. And that is $12.50. So I like that. Okay, guys, this is, oh, look at Look at the snowman tree toppers. Isn't that pretty? I can't get up there to see a price. I think that says $5. All right, guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General to see what they have in Christmas stuff left. And I'll see you in the next video.